It's my last day in Transit in Sapa. I'm gonna stroll before I go back to Hanoi tonight. 11:30 is this little bus. So I was just roaming around here. Maybe I will buy something. Mga restaurant dito guys at mga shops. Ang gaganda. Ganito. Kasi dito, kahit hindi ako nagkakape, pero titikman ko talaga tong sikat na coffee shop ng Vietnam. Ito po yung Kong Cafe. Pasok tayo dyan guys. This one is coconut green rice. Right here. Ang bait ni ate. Kinakaisa ni ate. Pasukin natin tong souvenir shop na. Ito yung country. Wala akong nakitang stoplight. Tawid ka lang ng tawid. Wala ka na.